Sawyer wants to come out. Come on, come on, come on. Are you videotaping it right now? Hi, girlfriend. Don't be scared.
Come on, we're all family here. Go on. Scoop. Don't peck my foot. Don't peck my foot.
They don't.
Okay.
It's a mess in here. We need to shovel it out again. And
Ew.
they need some clean water. See, they sleep in here now, and they're making a mess of poop everywhere.
Oh my God. There's an egg way over there in the corner. Oh, look at this one just chilling.
It's really an egg.
Oh, look at you. Can you smile for the camera?
What's the egg doing way over there? Now you gotta get poop on your shoes. Take your basket. Go look for eggs in here.
Well, hello. Good morning. God.
What was that? You're not supposed to be in here.
All right, we're looking for eggs. See no
That's how
egg.
you look? You're supposed to stick your hand in there.
Want to say hi? You want to say
Yeah,
hi?
I want Devin and George to look up there. There's no eggs?
I don't see any.
They never go in this one.